viral video. He got one stashed. It's viral, but the watermelon. I don't like sours. Sound like a about to eat some bad oil, man. I always gotta pop out that camera like he exposing me. Got a hater in my circle. See that, y'all? He always looking for a video, viral video. He got one stashed. He's blackmailing me with too.
That's right.
He got a video that is viral, but y'all won't be calling me Knife Man no more. In a rush to get to the warehouse. We got a new supplement out, man, Hyphy heart. To strengthen the heart, get good blood flow, stuff like that. And I'm the only one that's promoting a healthy heart. And I just look like, man, like all these people out here eating bad food, they health for granted. Thank you for the day. Thank you for blessing me, watching over us. We ask that you watch over us on this highway. Watch over our finances, our health, our wealth, our future, and our family. Amen. And this can't be that unhealthy. All these blueberries. Blueberries good for you. Ooh. It's super hot today, Hyphy. You can't have none of that. It's like 2:05. I need to eat, but I look good. He thought I lost it. Oh, you got it. I was 140, looked swole. I wrestled. Before every match, I would have to re-weigh. It was like no way in the world this 140 pounds. Already had 20-inch arms and jack. Thinking about Kali muscle, hey, the powers that be can slow down views and all that. I'm a hustler, baby. I'm gonna find a way, baby, to be better than a bot. I'm gonna find a way, Hyphy. Still got this beautiful body. Be like, hey, Helena, hey, money low. You gotta get back in the strip game. You know what I mean? A lot of lonely mamas out there. Yeah, you got to suck it up. Daddy, what you do for a living? I make lonely women feel better. I'm like a psychiatrist. Dr. Kali Muscle. Ooh, got me sobbing. Ooh. So we're starting another thing, training after 30. Youngsters, all these years I was focused on y'all, giving you the game, all that, but y'all still don't listen. We go to the gyms, every youngster in there watch our videos doing everything wrong. I'm gonna start focusing on those men that start worried about their health, that's over 30. So training after 30. But we know as you get older, your finances get better. So you're able to eat healthy, get the supplementation you need, things like that. Youngsters, they looking for the cheapest powder off your system. You wonder why you're puffy. Why I'm not getting buff? Anything your body don't recognize as it go into fight or flight mode, make you retain fat or water. We better get on the highway. Don't you hear that track called Rumble, baby? Let's go, Hyphy. Take some gum, Hyphy gum.
Oh, that's what you're doing?
Work gum, you got it? Oh, goodness, I get it while I'm driving in this crazy LA traffic. Oh, here comes a Dodge. Look at him on the side of me. Is it a Hellcat? Oh, is it a Hellcat? Oh, no, it's not. Work gum, baby. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm ready for this drive now, Hyphy Whitey. Okay. Let's go. Go to hyphylife.com. Get yours today. Use code YT, baby. I rode on the back of a motorcycle. I was scared to death. Like, never again. Mina was crying. Like, let me on. We supposed to have this new supplement in here today. Heart Healthy is supposed to be the best enzyme to make sure you don't get plaque buildup or have bad blood flow through your heart. Because you already know I had a heart attack. And so I was like, man, I was telling my team we need to find something that will prevent people from having heart problems. My business partner right there, man. How you doing?
Good, good, good. I got something for you.
You do? You got it? Oh, man.
There you go.
This is it. Damn, Hyphy heart, man. Got that main enzyme up in it. Ooh, lumbar now. You hear what I'm saying? Lumbar shot. So y'all could Google that and check it out, man. This is solidified through doctors and physicians that this enzyme is the man. So yeah, we got this now. Go to hyphylife.com. Users get yours today. You can use the code YT, get a discount. Man, I'm so excited for this. Thank you for putting in the work to get it, man. Hell yeah. And we also got
a few flavors for you.
How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 that I gotta test out?
14, only 14.
Ooh.
Only
14 new flavors. Y'all tell me what y'all want. Let's see. We got the kiwi, strawberry, cotton candy. We got the orange, sour grape, punch, fruit punch, berry.
Berries.
Berry.
It's not belly, okay.
Green apple.
Green apple.
Frozen lemonade.
Frozen lemonade.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Strawberry. Cherry. Pina colada. Y'all tell me what y'all want to see up there.
Cherry.
Sour cherry. Sour watermelon. I think we already picked this, right? Ooh, it smells good. Kiwi, strawberry. Everybody been begging for this one back, actually. We gotta get this back. So we got fruit punch.
This one smells really good.
A little chemically. That fruit punch. Ooh, yeah, it got a lot of kill good taste of that.
Aftertaste?
Yeah.
Cherry.
Can't really taste the flavor with that one.
Is it because he's going back to back?
Probably.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, shoot.
Orange.
It's supposed to be like 2 scoops for you to like feel it. That's why. But it's okay.
He's going to feel it.
Yeah.
That tastes like... Yeah, I'm trying to think it tastes like a medicine.
Berry.
Berry. Berry, not bad.
What kind of
It's not bad, though.
Okay.
Sour grape.
Oh!
Nope.
Too sour. Good God. They would kill me if I came out with that. Be on all those fake newscasters. They'll buy it and slander me.
What's that one?
Sour cherry.
Them sours. Woo! Them sours is sour. Oh,
you guys try strawberry?
No.
Didn't we do strawberry?
Oh.
I'll pass it.
Too chemically.
Try this one. Green apple. No?
I don't like sours.
Frozen lemonade is the last one.
Sound like a retard. I don't like sours. Hey, I am a little autistic. Nothing wrong with it. Me, Elon Musk, whole lot of those. Miles, he's slow. Hyphy White slow.
Appreciate that, dog.
Robert a little slow.
You're a little
I'm
slow.
super slow.
We're all a little slow, dude.
Slow is the new it. Hey, I got a hole in my lip.
I can tell.
No?
Nah.
Okay, so kiwi
Jesus.
is the next.
Yeah.
So sour, kiwi, and then berries was not bad. You said it wasn't bad.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
But this is number 2.
Uh-huh.
Perfect.
So I told you guys that the art, the Hyphy art, I would sign when you guys purchase. So we're gonna sign some of these beauties. Ooh, look at that. Make sure you order yours today. I'm gonna sign it right by the bumper. Woo! Look at that signature, boy. Don't y'all be trying to copy my signature either. We got the grill. Ooh, look at that. See that? Y'all can have teeth like me and Hyphy Whitey. You know what I mean? Let's keep it in the same consistency. Woo! Man, this go. Hey, This gonna be better than Da Vinci or who's another artist, Hyphy? Michelangelo, he's slow, you know what I mean?
Donatello.
Donatello, you know, man.
Raphael.
Raphael. What's the other boy named Reed? What's the boy named Reed?
Reed.
Yeah, the do the TV. He paint on TV. What's his name? You don't know what I'm talking about?
No, it's all slipping my mind right now.
Oh God. He pull out the camera and his mind go blank.
Goes blank, yep.
You know what I'm
Every
saying?
time.
Yeah, so make sure y'all go to hyphylife.com, order yours today. You can use the code YT. That's the letter Y, the letter T, and you can have some of this beautiful art in your house. Come on, man. Don't y'all want that? Don't you want this on your wall? Look at that, man. I know y'all want that on your wall. All right, so y'all go to hyphylife.com, order yours today. I love you, and get you one of these beautiful canvases. See you later.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.